Introducing the all-new Aquaspray Superlite collection of water-fed poles for window and solar panel cleaning. The safest, easiest, and affordable way to clean your windows and solar panels. Simply connect to your water source, extend, and get to work. The Aquaspray poles have a hose that runs up the length of the pole to deliver water or cleaning solution directly into the brush head. You can now easily clean those windows and solar panels without a ladder, from the safety of the ground. The telescopic pole extensions are made of aerospace-grade aluminum, making them lightweight and durable. The 11.5-inch wide soft bristle brush head is securely mounted on a pivoting gooseneck you can adjust for the perfect angle for every job or project. For even more convenience, you can choose our double gooseneck adapter, which allows you to add a squeegee. The Aquaspray water-fed pole system lets you do a typically tough and time-consuming job safely, quickly, and easily. With a choice of 3 different extension lengths, 20, 24, or 30 feet, we have the size for you. Each Aquaspray system comes with brass connectors that connect to your hose or water source, a telescopic pole, a hose, a brush head, and an adjustable gooseneck. With all of the Aquaspray models, you get our industry-leading comprehensive 12-month warranty. The new Aquaspray water-fed pole system gives you the power to clean solar panels and windows quickly, even multiple stories high, without sacrificing the safety of yourself or anyone on your team. Work smarter, not harder.